Skin tray packing machine operation tutorial. First, install the cling film, adjusting the calipers according to the film specifications. Pass the film between the two rods, loosen the two nuts at the bottom, and pull out the plate. Attach the film to the edge of the plate, keeping the front end flat, then push the film in. Pull the film out from below, push the plate in, and tighten the nuts. Installation complete. After connecting the machine to power, turn on the switch. Tap Agree on the screen. Loosen the emergency stop button, the pop-up window will disappear. Tap Reset, then Settings, then Packaging Test. Measure the length, width, and height of the item to be packaged. Measure the length from the bottom and the width from the top edge. Tap Start Packaging. Once packaging is complete, place the item on the heating plate for bottom heating. Save the parameters to the machine for future use. After setting, tap Save twice, return, and tap Auto to start packaging.